Hello and welcome back. How to give your information to another person. When this happens, you might want to exchange personal information. And in this, let's do a bit of a recap on introductions. So how can we introduce ourselves in English? How are you? What is your name? Hello, how are you? I am good. What about you? Nice to meet you. And also asks for somebody's name. Please. Please. Please can I? Please give. Please can I? Please give me. This is a polite. Ask for their mobile number. Have your number. What is your mobile? With your telephone number. Are asked, you would reply. So, please can I have your number? What is your mobile phone number? Please could you provide me with your telephone? Give it to them. How do you give it to them? Wow. Remember, as a number at a time, and you can pronounce the 0. You would read out aloud 22456988. 01822 8. Now you can give your number. So, an address is the information you use to show where you live and where people can send mail to you. city, region, and zip or postcode. In a couple of ways. Your address? Could you provide me with your address? This one is very formal. If you were asked, this is the order in which you would need to write it. You would start with your name, and you would write the street, on the second line, first, second. Then you would write your post or zip code. Post or zip code. And you'd write your zip or postcode on the final line. So you have your first, second, third, fourth, and final. Or zip code. So you've got your first line, second, and final line. Comma 22 sunny So, if you may choose to contact each other via email. This is a great method of communication. Email, or you can provide yours, similar to a telephone number. We say, please can your email. Please could you provide me with your email address? So, please could you provide me As you can see, it's just as simple as asking if you asked read it as English wizard abc.com. You may be asked to provide your date as your birthday. So is the day, second is the month, ordinal numbers, and then we spell out the month to 10, as in January to December, and then the year is pronounced as we have previously learned. Let's recap the months. Number Number 4, April. Number 5, May. Seven, July. 8, August. Number 10, October. Number 10, December. Number 12, January is 1st, February 2nd. So, for example, we have 19/7/2009. We read it out as 9. of January 1960. When you have received information from someone, thank you. Thank you. Information given. So let's oh 88. Then you would say thank you.